waking or sleeping, thy presence, my light. Be thou my wisdom, be thou my true word, thou ever with me, and I with thee, Lord. Thou my great Father, and I thy true Son. Thou in me dwelling, and I with thee.